Chainalysis uncovers crypto transactions linked to Mexican drug cartels and Chinese labs. Anti-money laundering. Chainalysis. Crypto payment. Beyond basic tracking, advanced analytics reveal evolving tactics in digital laundering that challenge outdated controls, hinting at a paradigm shift in how illicit funds reshape global finance. Last updated, March 20, 2025. Author, Jimmy Aki. Author, Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated, March 20, 2025 at 20:54 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. New techniques uncover behavioral signatures in digital money flows, suggesting criminals are rapidly adapting beyond simple transfers. The swift, borderless nature of crypto exposes a widening gap between legacy regulations and modern financial crime. These insights push for a proactive overhaul of international oversight, urging tech-driven and collaborative strategies to secure global finance. On March 19, blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis exposed direct financial links between Mexican drug cartels and Chinese suppliers of fentanyl precursors through crypto transactions. The investigation expands upon previous findings, where authorities had identified over $37.8 million in suspicious crypto payments from 2018 to 2023 involving China-based chemical traders. China remains the leading source of fentanyl precursors despite currency ban. According to Chainalysis' investigative report, crypto transactions have become a key tool for purchasing chemical precursors without direct physical interactions. Additionally, these transactions form part of a larger underground financial network spanning Mexico, the U.S., and China. Chinese money laundering operations, including individuals based in the U.S., are increasingly collaborating with drug trafficking organizations, DTOs, especially Mexican cartels. These partnerships facilitate the laundering of drug proceeds, often through crypto transactions. Since China's strict capital controls limit individuals to purchasing only $50,000 in foreign currency annually, underground banking networks tied to the fentanyl trade have emerged as an alternative method. Although China has banned cryptocurrency, it continues to be the leading supplier of fentanyl precursors and related equipment, including TDP dye kits. These kits are critical for tablet pressing in pill-making machines. They consist of molds and punches that shape powder into solid tablets. While these kits have legitimate uses in pharmaceutical production, they are also commonly used by drug traffickers to produce counterfeit pills, including fentanyl-laced tablets. Previously, Chainalysis had flagged over $37.8 million in suspicious crypto transactions from suspected China-based chemical traders. Consequently, Mexican cartels, such as the Sinaloa cartel, rely on these suppliers to produce synthetic opioids like fentanyl, which are trafficked into the U.S. Over $5.5 million seized in recent China-Mexico fentanyl crypto crackdown. A recent civil forfeiture case in the Eastern District of Wisconsin resulted in the seizure of more than $5.5 million in cryptocurrency. The investigation originated as a money laundering probe into a U.S.-based network linked to a Mexican cartel. Authorities identified crypto transactions involving centralized exchange accounts and digital wallets used to process illicit drug proceeds, primarily from the sale of fentanyl and methamphetamine. Chainalysis traced these funds back to crypto wallets previously associated with Chinese companies supplying fentanyl precursors. The financial relationship between cartel-linked money/source. Chainalysis. The report noted a stark contrast between cartel-affiliated money launderers and cybercriminal syndicates, such as North Korean state-backed hackers, who employ advanced obfuscation techniques. Cartel-linked actors have operated more openly, moving funds swiftly through centralized exchanges and unhosted wallets, making it easier to track their financial activities. USDT's growing role in cartel money laundering. Mexican and Colombian drug cartels have leaned more heavily on cryptocurrencies in recent years. Among them is the Sinaloa cartel, which features in both local media reports and Chainalysis' latest findings. USDT has become their preferred choice. It holds steady against the US dollar, making it easier for traffickers to move money without worrying about price swings. In Mexico, USDT often trades below market value because much of it is tied to drug proceeds. Cartels buy up the discounted tokens, then sell them at a higher price in places like Colombia to turn a profit. To move funds, these groups use a mix of methods: crypto exchanges, peer-to-peer transfers, and over-the-counter trades. Each step makes it harder for investigators to follow the trail. Last October, U.S. federal investigators opened a case against Tether, the company behind USDT. They looked at whether USDT had been used to break sanctions or skirt anti-money laundering rules, and whether penalties were warranted. USDT trades billions of dollars daily. Its link to the US dollar gives criminal groups a simple workaround in countries where dollars are hard to come by. In a separate case, a U.S. grand jury indicted 9 people last November. They allegedly laundered drug money for Mexican and Colombian cartels between 2020 and mid-2023, using crypto transactions disguised as business deals to avoid detection. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. How are evolving blockchain tools redefining money laundering investigations? They decode complex behavioral patterns and hidden transaction clusters, allowing agencies to see beyond isolated transfers to entire adaptive networks. What risks does the current regulatory gap pose to global financial stability? The gap enables agile criminal tactics that could undermine market integrity, exposing vulnerabilities in systems that haven't evolved with digital money flows. Why must international collaboration be at the forefront of combating these crimes? Cross-border digital transactions demand unified enforcement and shared intelligence, ensuring that rapid, decentralized funds can be effectively tracked and intercepted. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Market shows signs of recovery as Fed confirms 2025 rate cuts. Kraken moves to capture futures trading with $1.5 billion NinjaTrader acquisition. Report Dogecoin approaches key resistance level. Here's where it's headed next. Price analysis. XRP's role in the U.S. digital asset stockpile is a 500% surge next. 1 day ago, by Michael Davis. Altcoin news. SEC ends legal battle with Ripple in XRP case. Ripple CEO says. 1 day ago, by Hongji Feng. Altcoin news. Solana CEO expresses regret over controversial America is back ad. 15 hours ago, by Suja Sundararajan. Best crypto to buy now in March 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in March 2025. March 12, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. 8 best crypto presales to invest in now, upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025, by Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in March 2025. March 3, 2025, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025, by Inesis Tavares. The 12 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025 are top picks. September 11, 2024, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024, by Ben Beto.